Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Triple R. Now in today's session, I am going to discuss about the very important government job recruitment. Okay, CSR Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, that is IITR, Lucknow, has invited applications for the technical assistant and technical officer post. Total number of posts is 34. Out of that, for the technical assistant 31 post and for technical officer 3 post. This is very important job recruitment. Okay, now the date of commencement of the online application is 2 September 2020. Okay, 2 September 2020. Okay, the last date of submission of online application is 5 October 2020. Okay, last date of receipt of hard copy of online application 21st October 2020 up to 5 p.m. Okay, now let's see one by one technical assistant post. Okay, firstly see technical assistant post. Okay, just wait 1 second. Okay, now out of the 31 posts for the technical assistant, 17, that is 17 post for the unreserved category. For EWS category 3 posts. Okay, 3 posts for the EWS category. For the OBC category 5 posts. For SC category 3 posts. For ST category 3 posts. Okay, pay scale for the technical assistant, the pay scale from 35,400 to 1,12,400. Okay, that is 35,400 to 1,12,400. Total emolument, okay, that is 51,294. Okay, upper age limit not exceeding as on last date of receipt of online application. This is very important, 28 years. Okay, upper age limit is 28 years. Then let's see for the technical officer. Okay, total number of posts is 3. All these 3 posts for the unreserved category. Okay, now let's see pay scale. Pay scale for the technical officer post start from 44,900 to 1,42,400. Okay, total emolument is 63,924. Upper age limit not exceeding on last date of receipt of online application is 30 years. Okay, this is also very important. Now the total okay, total emolument means approximate total emolument on minimum of scale including house rent allowance. Okay, HRA in Lucknow city. Please see age relaxation under relaxation column. Now let's see one by one technical assistant post. Okay, that is post code, reservation status, number of vacancy, post, essential qualification, experience and job requirement. Okay, post code T01. Okay, then reservation T0107 for the unreserved category 7 post. Technical assistant, post name is technical assistant. Okay, for the biological sciences, essential qualification and experience is first class BSc science with biology as a major subject. Okay, biology as a major subject and with 1 year full-time professional qualification or 1 year experience in the relevant discipline from a recognized institute or organizations. Okay, job requirement is to assist scientists in the research area of biological science, animal house and testing facility. Okay, for the same all this essential qualification and experience and job requirement for the other post is T08 EWS category 1 post technical assistant biological science. T09 10 OBC category 2 post technical assistant biological science. Then T11 for the SC category 1 post technical assistant biological science. Then T12 ST category 1 post technical assistant biological science. Okay, and all remaining points, that is the essential qualification experience, are the same. That is first class BSc with science stream with biology as a major subject and with 1 year full time professional experience. Okay, then the job requirement also same. Then post code is T13, that is T13 for the unreserved category technical assistant. Post name is technical assistant biological science. First class, okay, first class BSc science with biology as a major subject and with 1 year full time professional qualification or 1 year experience in computer science. Okay, job is to design the brochures, pamphlet, background, etc. using CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator or similar software. Okay, then after that, this is for the BSc in biology. Okay, now let's see the post for the BSc in science. Okay, first class BSc science with chemistry as a major subject. This is very important for the chemistry student with chemistry as a major subject in BSc with first class. Now post code, reservation and number of vacancy, that is T1418 for the unreserved category, number of post is 5, technical assistant chemical science. Okay, then T1920 EWS category 2 post. Then T2122 for the OBC category 2 post. Okay, that is same technical assistant. Then T2324 for the SC category 2 post. T25, okay, for the ST category 1 post technical assistant chemical science. Okay, for this post is okay, for this post essential qualification and experience is first class BSc science with chemistry as a major subject and with 1 year full time professional qualification or 1 year experience in the relevant discipline from a recognized institute or organizations. Okay, then job requirement to assist scientist and carry out analysis of the chemical sample in the analytical facilities. Okay, this is very important post for the BSc science student with first class and 1 year experience. Now let's see the post for the technical assistant statistics. Okay, number of student has the statistic in at BSc. Okay, for this student T26 unreserved category 1 post and T27 OBC category 1 post. This 2 posts for the BSc with statistics or mathematics with major subject. Okay, as a major subject, and qualification is first class BSc math or statistics with 1 year full time professional qualification or 1 year experience in the relevant discipline from a recognized institute or organizations. Okay, then job requirement. Okay, job requirement is to assist the data analysis using modern medical statistical tool and to strengthen the ongoing research program in the area of toxicology. Okay, work with statistical and epidemiological package like ESPSS/ES or SAS. Okay, like this. Then okay, this for the library science. Okay, now technical assistant for the library science. This is not for the chemistry student, so I skip it. Then Okay, this is for the engineering sciences. Now, then next post is, okay, this is also for engineering sciences. Then one more post, that is a technical officer. Technical officer post code is T34-1 for the unreserved category. Technical officer, library sciences, master in library sciences with 55% after first class BSc in science. Okay, this is for the technical officer post. And job requirement is to assist in maintenance of institutional scientific library. Okay, now just 1 minute. Okay, continue. Okay, this is the your means you unreserved, you know that. Then mode of examination, OMR based or computer based objective type multiple choice examinations. Okay, for this post there will be the 3 papers. The second and third paper will be determined by the selection committee in the first paper. Okay, then medium of question is, the question will be said both in English and Hindi except question on English language. Then standard of exam for the post code T01 to T31 diploma or graduation level based on advertised qualification of the post. Okay, so you can read this. I will provide you all this advertisement. Okay, advertisement, then link for the application. Okay, all this provided you in the description box, so please visit description box of this video. Okay, and then read carefully. Now, okay, general awareness, you can read this point. I just highlight the important point. Okay, then how to apply. Okay, start from the 2 September 2020, not okay, 2 September 2020, sorry, and up to 5 October 2020 up to 5 p.m. Okay, then any more point is remains. Okay, all these are the documents. Okay, candidate applying for more than one post must submit each application in separate envelope for each post, indicating the code, that is code number of the post. This is also very important for the online application and for the this post. Okay, that is all these documents you can read in the, or you can read from the description box. Okay, this is all about the CSR Indian Institute of Toxicology Research, Lucknow. Okay, that is job requirement. Number of post 34. Out of that, technical officer 3 post and technical assistant 31 post. Okay, like, share, subscribe to our channel Chemistry Triple R. Thank you for watching video.